Hi guys, about the Hyundai Ioniq from Copart. So what we done here is that this panel was damaged and the door that was damaged too. So now it's open and hopefully gonna be repaired soon. And if you see the inside, this airbag need to put new, and all these seat belts gonna be new. And originally I bought it from Copart. Let's see how it's gonna look like after the repair. Yeah, if you have any question, please ask me where to buy the parts and all those things, because I bought it to very reasonable price. And any other question about the car, please do ask me.